Welcome back to the Steelhead Station, everyone. And today we're going to show you something. Does that happen to you? Find out how to fix it next. Alright, so the first thing we did, we went inside and we turned off the water. Now we're going to unscrew this top, and in there should be an O-ring that probably is bad. So this will just screw off with anything. You got a socket that'll fit it, or just a wrench. And I'll do that real quick to show you. Alright, so I removed the top there. This is the first thing you're going to find. And it basically just screws down in there. Turn it clockwise. It should come out. And if there's not any problems with this, it should be good to go. See there? As you can see, there's should be a part right here that just floats in there. Still got some water in there, but let that drain out. See, there's not a whole lot in there. Just sits down in there in the hole, and then this a lot of times is the issue, this little O-ring, but it actually looks pretty good. It's actually kind of loose, and I'm gonna go see if I got anything that's a little bit tighter, or maybe just screwing it down will help it fit a little bit better, but we'll see here. Alright, give it a minute. Alright, so all I did was I moved that little O-ring back up to the top here, put the bottom piece back in, and then this just screws down. It just sits on top of that piece, and just tighten it back down. We're gonna put the top back on and see if it fixes our issue. Alright, so we got it all back together. Remember, take this off. This just is just a little cover. Underneath, that unscrews, and then you've just got two parts that sit on top of each other. Check to make sure your O-ring is good on that part that comes out. And the other part, it's really hard for those things to go bad other than the O-ring. The O-ring looks okay, it's not dirty. Just kind of reset it at the top, screw it back, everything back down, see what goes, and this is the result. We're gonna see, we got the water running, and clean out both sides and close these valves. You can see there, there's nothing coming out the pressure valve anymore. So it should be good to go. But we do have a drip here that is going to have to be fixed. See, you turn that on and boom, you got issues there. So we're going to turn this water back off, and hopefully that's all. But if you've got water coming out of here, that is your issue. Just reseat that O-ring.